Okay, we're gonna draw a super cute, super easy cinnamon roll. So for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and draw 2 ovals for the eyes. Something else you could do to make it extra cute is just color it in and not outline it with just a blue marker. But for this one, we're gonna use a black marker. Then we're gonna draw his mouth, which is like an upside down 3. And then we'll draw his chin, which is basically just like a slightly curved line. We'll leave a little bit of space. We'll draw the top of his head, and then get ready. We're gonna draw some really big ears. So Cinnamoroll has big floppy ears. So we're gonna draw this line that goes down, curves, and then we're gonna do this side, and they're going to connect. It's kind of like a really long bean shape, I guess. I guess that's how I would describe it. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So it curves, goes down, goes up, curves down, and then we do this side and it connects. All right, awesome. We're already halfway done. Then we're gonna draw his back. So Cinnamoroll's back is going to be facing us. So we have this one curved line. Then we have his tail, arguably the most fun part to do. We draw the spiral. And we're gonna keep going, keep going, keep going. Ta-da! So there's his tail. Now we need to draw the rest of his body. So we got an arm. Then we got his tummy. And then his foot. And then we connect. And honestly, that's all there is to it. So Cinnamoroll is a white dog. He has blue eyes and rosy cheeks. Thanks so much for following along, guys. Bye for now.